Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 28th of March. The euro recorded losses against most of its major counterparts as market participants wait for the Eurogroup meeting on Friday. Eurozone finance ministers are expected to decide upon the way and the size by which the economic union's rescue funds will be boosted. Market consensus is the lending capacity of both the European Financial Stability Facility and the European Stability Mechanism will be raised to €940 billion. Italian Prime Minister Monti shared his belief that the crisis is almost over during a speech in Tokyo. European Central Bank President Draghi warned governments to continue taking decisive measures. He added that even though long-term refinancing operations have calmed down the markets, this should not induce complacency. Against the US dollar, the single currency dropped to 133.28 from 133.57. The euro was boosted against the Swiss franc following Switzerland's economy minister's comments that the floor should be raised to 135 to 140. However, this didn't last long as investors realised that exchange rate policies are handled by the Swiss National Bank and not the Ministry of Economics. The US dollar produced gains versus a basket of currencies, recovering from Monday's losses caused by Fed Chairman Bernanke's speech, hinting to additional quantitative easing. The nation's central bank head looked poised to downplay any positive economic data release, stating that it's far too early to declare victory. Versus the Swiss franc, the US dollar dropped to 0.9045 from 0.9031. The Australian dollar plunged to 104.41 from 105.26 against the US dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia, advised industries harmed by the strengthening currency to adjust to the new environment, suggesting no intentions, at least for now, for an intervention. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices fell to $106.53 from $106.71 a barrel. Gold dropped to $1,680.90 from $1,689.28 an ounce. Against the euro, gold retraced to €1,262.11 from €1,265.11 an ounce, and silver fell to $32.59 from $32.75 an ounce. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 133.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 133.45. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 82.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.80. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 104.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.65. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 159.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 159.45, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9930 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9935. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 107.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 107.75. The gold pivot point is at 1687 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1687, and the silver pivot point is at 32.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 32.85. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK fourth quarter GDP forecast to contract by -0.2 and the US durable goods orders for February forecast to rise by 3%. Now on to equities. In Europe, we saw the FTSE was down 0.56%, the DAX was down 0% and the CAC was down 0.92%. In the US, we saw the SP 500 down 0.28% and the Dow was down 0.33%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.72% and the Hang Seng was down 0.83%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.